Hey, I'm Kyle King, Metro 57. What we're looking at here today is we're looking at an apartment complex that's in the phase of what's called repositioning. And you take an old, broken property and it has a certain amount of value, but it's not quite cash flowing because the product's old. And so now we're adding here is they're putting in brand new windows, we're doing brand new siding, we're adding brand new paint. You'll see down there in the way back in the distance, there's painters that's changing that building. That's why it's kind of halfway pretty, halfway ugly. And the repositioning allows you to charge more rent, bring in a better class of long-term rental commitments, which increases your value on the property, and ultimately you can go sell it in 3 to 5 years, which is what a lot of these investment groups do. So these properties get this type of cleansing about once every 10 years, and this is probably about $3 million worth of work that I'm able to show on the 15 buildings that are here.